So here we got the Downluxe Down Alternative Pillows. These are queen size and they come in a set of 2. So this is the Hotel Collection, soft bed pillows, great for sleeping, perfect for sleeping on your side, back and stomach. This comes in 20 by 28 inch. So they're filled with premium polyester blend fiber, which gives you a balanced support. And they do feel nice and cozy. They come small once you take them out of the packaging, and they fluff up rather quickly, sooner than the 24 hours that they recommend to recover. No weird smells. It's very soft, breathable, nice, silky, skin-friendly finish. This is what I like. One pillow to keep your neck in a nice, supportive position, and 2 pillows if you want to like sit up and watch TV. The great sleeper pillows give you a good firm support but not too harsh, and I really like them. I will possibly buy them again next time.